We are rolling sound and we're recording, and I'm going to be the clapper.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome friend. Listen, we were just going to do a channel update and fill you in on what's been going on with us, but before I knew it, friends, it's going to turn into a collective haul as well. Friends, before we get started on anything, I wanted to go ahead and do the taco giveaway. I hadn't forgotten you, sweet friends, and I know I have a sweet friend that reminds me every day of the week. Am I the winner? Well, friend, it's time to find out. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Start.
Oh, you're scrolling.
Patricia Incy. Is that the way you say it?
I can't see. I'm looking at the back of the screen.
Patricia INC.
Meaning I'm not even getting
Friend,
into that.
you are the winner. Be sure and get a hold of me either through email or PM me through Messenger. Congratulations, this little taco is going home with you. I'm gonna mail it to you. Okay, friends, with that out of the way, I wanted to tell you we are filming out of Eric's brand new home. Thank you, Eric, for letting me host our first welcome back video here at your home.
They haven't even moved in yet.
Yeah, really, they haven't even moved in yet.
So hopefully there's not too bad an echo. Sorry, we don't have anything for the acoustics right now.
Oh, friends, listen, it's just been crazy. Our lives have been crazy, as a lot of you know, because I did post on my Facebook group page where if you're not a member, you need to join us because we have a lot of neat crafters in our group. Friends, Eric was gone for 2 months. That's how it started. Upon return, he had so many people that were waiting on him, including me. But anyway, then we ran into some problems. He had 5 days to move out of our ranch that sold so quickly. And then my studio got converted into the offices for he and Leanna because they both work from home. And then it was like the contractors wouldn't show up to work on his home. And then COVID hit, oh my goodness, and then we were planning, helping for a wedding, a family wedding. My daughter-in-law's sister was getting married, and we all had obligations to help. And COVID hit. Eric, well, first my husband got it, and then Leanna, and then Eric. And Eric and Leanna were very, very sick, and I had to be nursed. Thank God I didn't get it. And then my daddy passed away, and then there was the wedding in between all this. So it's been a wild ride, but I wanted to say thank you for your love and support. We appreciate you so much. There were days I was hanging by a string, but you were there for me, and I love you. Friends, I pray for you every day because I'm so glad God put you into my life. Okay, let's get started. I was just going to show you some things that I bought this past couple of weeks because I've been shopping for some new Halloween things because I'm going to be decorating my home, and I'm going to invite you to decorate with me. First of all, my first stop was Ross. Look, friends, I found this kooky little ghost for only, it was $13.99. It's got cute pointy boots. I just cannot wait to put it in my entryway. And it is made out of metal, and it's got that little kinky thing so it moves around. Okay?
I think they call that a spring.
Oh, that's spring. Thanks, Eric. And I found this little ghost with a scrubby for my sink. And vintage Halloween is real big this year. Friends, this is a soap dispenser, and I just thought it was so cute. I'm going to put it on my sink. Then I didn't need this, but I like the fact that it said Hocus Pocus on it. What I did really, really like were these little vintage candy dishes, I think.
Those things are cool.
I
really like them.
So cool. And if you put them on your little risers, you can put them next to each other. I don't know. I just fell in love with them.
Where did you get those from?
These came from Ross. And friends, Ross has got a lot of vintage Halloween stuff because I've been seeing some of my friends haul lots of different items. This little ghost was also available at TJ Maxx as well. I saw it there, but it was cheaper at Ross. Okay, then I went over to TJ Maxx and I found this beautiful candle and it smells so good. It's a harvest candle, but look how cute the lid is. And I had to have it. It was a little pricey, $12.99, and I don't ever like to pay that much for candles, but I just loved the way it was decorated and it gave me an idea.
It's okay, you can justify the purchase just to hush the candy corn police, because now you can't get it wrong because you'll always have that to remind you.
I know, the candy corn police has been really hard on me. Still out to get me. But I love y'all, friends. Okay, this came from TJ Maxx. It was $7.99, and it's a candy dish. I didn't need this, but I just thought it was so pretty, and I thought I can put that somewhere. So then I went to my favorite store, Home Goods, and look at this precious ghost that I found.
That's your favorite store, Home Goods?
I've
never even heard of you going there.
I go there all the time. I was looking for the witch. My husband told me to go pick out a witch, not your husband, your daddy. Oh, friends.
I'm sure some people would call their husband your daddy too.
My Janito is what I call him. These were only $12.99. I love Home Goods. Love it. Oh, friends. Oh, I think things are getting back to normal. And look at this cute candy dish. It was only $12.99. I thought that was really, really pretty. And look at this other ghost. It says, "I'm with the Boo Crew." Isn't that cute? It's $12.99. I thought these two were a bargain.
I'm really liking a lot of the there's like nice vintage touches to all these pieces.
I know, there is.
Like even though they're new, they have a little bit of that old flair. I like it. It's good.
I know, and see, these things were not very expensive. I thought, I went all out.
In today's market, if you buy stuff for $12, that's cool. I can't find
And look
anything.
at this cute little thing, this trio of trick-or-treaters. I had to have it. It was $9.99. I just thought it was so precious, and I know exactly where I'm going to put it. So this was my buy from Home Goods. I didn't find a witch. They were putting out witches the last day I went this week, but the witches had real old, ugly faces, and the big, tall ones were like $60, and I didn't want to invest that much in a witch, even though my husband was treating me to one. All right, friends, if you haven't been to the Dollar Tree $5 section and $3 section, most of the Dollar Trees in my area are set up with the $5 section of items and $3 sections besides their $1.25 items. Look at this beautiful mat that I got, and it is so heavy and thick. It says, "Hello, pumpkin," but you can either have it by itself because it's thick enough on your doorstep, or you can layer it. It is so pretty for only $5, friends. That was a bargain. I thought this was a bargain for $5, this sign. I can't wait to put them up in my kitchen. Eat, drink, and be merry. That's what I said I was going to do after I retired. Okay, friends, another thing that I did find that I thought was a bargain for $5, and I know these tend to get really, really wonky. These welcome signs, they had all kinds of them, and this one was my favorite. I'm going to put it out where the sun and the rain don't hit it too much, and I think it'll make it through the October season. Anyway, Halloween season. But for $5, you cannot beat a deal like this, I think. So I also found in the $3 section these cute pumpkins. Pumpkins are so expensive this year. Everywhere you go, they're like $9.99 on up. But these were only $3, and they had a pretty good selection of them. And so I picked up a few because I bought a new bench to put in my entryway, and I think they'll look cute there somewhere on it. But then I went to their $1.25 items, and I thought this little beaded pumpkin was so cute. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it, but I bet I'll find something to put it on. So for $1.25, friends, that was too cute. All right, I was going to mention to you, if you run into your Dollar Tree and see these items, friend, pick them up. They're a bargain for $1.25. The pumpkins in the raw, because you just paint them up. I bought 2 of the pumpkin and 2 of the ghost. And this one doesn't have the holes for the mouth and the eyes and all that, so it'll be easy to paint. But this one, it'll be easy to paint, but I'll put a sheet of a little piece of the gold fun foam, or what is it called? That fun foam stuff, behind it, so you can tell.
That would be cool. I know what you're saying.
So that you can fill in the eyes and the mouth. And I am going to use these for my garland outside my front door. It already has candy corns that I put on it, but I'm going to try to incorporate these in there, and I think they'll be real cute. And for $1.25, friends, they're already cut out for you. I think that they're a real bargain. Also for $1.20, oh, another thing, you might want to pick up this little packet. It comes with 3 of the wooden little signs that says boo on it with an exclamation point right here. I'm going to be using this on an upcoming craft. You might want to pick some of these up, and I'll show you in a minute what my craft is going to be. Also, I'm going to make new pretty bows for my garland to go on my fireplace. Look at the pretty ribbon I found at Dollar Tree. That is too cute. I picked up some of this at Michael's last year. They had a big assortment of these. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. And I'll show you how I'm gonna make my big bows. We've always said that we wanted to make a little video on how I make my big bows so that we can link them to the description when I'm making a craft. Friends, at this time, I think that's all I have to show you as far as my shopping went. I wanted to mention that going forward in the future, we are planning to be doing some different things on our channel. I know one of the things that I want to get back into so bad is cutting wood designs out with like my outdoor ghost that I have for years and years. I need to remake another one. I'd like to make a new Santa, and I'd like to share that with you. Another thing that we're going to be doing, I might let Eric tell you about, we're planning on a destination trip.
Yeah, the idea I came up with is that they've been wanting to travel, and they're retired, my parents are, and me and my wife love traveling all the time. So I said, why don't you start hitting the road with the equipment and start doing crafts out in places. And so here this next month, we're going to Sedona, Arizona, and going up to some pretty places in Colorado, all the way up to Denver as well. But yeah, we'll probably shoot some craft videos and see how that goes with the scenery in the background.
It'll be quick little crafts, and that's what I wanted to tell you. I might be doing just some quick little crafts videos to show you some little cute ideas and not make it into a big long video, but yet you'll get something out of it. In the future, we'd like to have some of those videos, but for now, I'm just going to show you my Halloween project.
Although they will have another long video coming because you're going to do a decorate with me, right?
Yeah, but I think that on the decorate with me, I'm going to do it in sections. I think I'm going to do my fireplace first. Maybe my fireplace in this cabinet that I decorate, and the entryway, and then I'll do the kitchen and dining area next. I'll split it up because, like I said, I don't want the videos to be too long, and I want to have something for you like often, all right? Okay, friends, I hope you like my ghost. This is what I plan to share with you. This ghost I made out of cardboard because it was raining cats and dogs the day I decided to do this. But See, this is another reason I'd like to start cutting wood. This ghost will work with cardboard, styrofoam. The one I'm going to do on video with you will probably be out of styrofoam. Styrofoam or wood. You can make this out of matting board as well, and it'll work for you. I had a lot of fun just putting this together. Eric gave me the idea of, hey, why don't you put a little bat up here off the witch's hat? And see, here's the little boo cut out from Dollar Tree. And this is just a clay sucker, just a little round sucker that I made. And oh yeah, this is another one of those cutouts from Dollar Tree. It comes in a trio, two. I don't have one.
Did you not have one in your haul?
No, because I used them all up. It comes in a trio, which is a bargain for $1.25. It comes with 2 pumpkins. Wait, 2 pumpkins and.
Don't scratch the marble.
I won't scratch the marble. already creating ruckus. Eric won't invite me back. Will you, Eric, run me out of your house on the first day?
I'll think about it.
Alrighty, it comes with 2 pumpkins, and I think it's a headstone in between in the raw. I think I'm going to use a headstone on another one. But all I did was paint it, detail it, and then I put that foam sheets. That's what I wanted to say, because I got corrected on that. Foam sheets that's glittered in the background to fill the little mouth and the eye. Thank you so much for your love and support. Y'all have been wonderful, and I want to do some more giveaways, and I need to catch up with some friend mail. And I thank you for all the cards, all the texts, all the messages, and the gifts that you've sent me. I cannot thank you enough. We appreciate you so much. And like I said, I hope that we can continue doing this and be making videos for you and sharing our ideas and doing what we love to do and share it with you. Meanwhile, friends, keep on doing what you're doing. Be positive. Don't let anyone take your positive energy away. I don't let people do that to me, so don't you let people do that to you. Until next time, I love you, friends. Adios.